What if you could earn money while you sleep without touching every single task yourself? Thanks to AI, this isn't just a dream anymore. It's becoming the new normal. Today, I'm going to show you 5 passive income systems you can fully automate using AI. From content creation to investing, marketing, and even customer service. These aren't theory-based ideas. These are real systems people are already running quietly in the background. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up automated systems that generate income 24/7, letting AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on scaling, optimization, and long-term growth instead of daily manual work. System 1. Faceless YouTube channels. Faceless YouTube channels are one of the fastest growing passive income streams today, especially in high CPM niches. With AI, you can automate almost every step of the process, from idea generation to publishing. Tools and workflow. Idea generation, ChatGPT. Perplexity script writing, ChatGPT/Claude voiceovers. 11labs/PlayHT video creation. Pika Labs/Runway thumbnail and graphics. Canva AI/Leonardo AI scheduling and posting. TubeBuddy vidIQ. How it works. AI generates video ideas and scripts. AI converts scripts into voiceovers and faceless videos. AI designs thumbnails and visuals. AI schedules and posts content automatically. Income potential. Channels in niches like finance, AI, tech, or business can earn $500 to $5,000 plus per month fully automated once they gain momentum. Why it's passive. After setup, content keeps publishing, videos keep collecting views, and ad revenue continues growing with minimal oversight. System 2. AI-powered e-commerce stores. E-commerce no longer needs constant manual involvement or a full team. AI now handles everything from product research to customer communication. Tools and workflow. Product ideas. ChatGPT/Perplexity designs. Canva AI. Leonardo AI store creation. Shopify/WooCommerce. AI features marketing and ads. Jasper AI. AdCreative.ai customer support. ChatGPT/AI chatbots. How it works. AI finds trending products. AI generates product descriptions, images, and ads. Stores run automatically using dropshipping or print-on-demand. AI answers customer questions and manages orders. Income potential. Automated stores can generate $1,000 to $10,000 per month depending on traffic and ad strategy. Why it's passive. Once live, AI manages sales, support, and optimization without daily involvement. System 3. AI-created digital products. Digital products are pure leverage. You create once, and AI handles the rest. Tools and workflow. Content creation. ChatGPT/Claude design and formatting. Canva AI/Recraft video courses. Pika Labs/Runway publishing and selling. Gumroad/Shopify marketing. Jasper AI/email. AI assistance. How it works. AI creates the product. AI designs layouts and video lessons. Products are uploaded to marketplaces. AI handles promotion through ads and emails. Income potential. A single product can earn $200 to $2,000 monthly, and multiple products scale revenue quickly. Why it's passive. Once published, products sell continuously without manual updates. System 4. AI stock and crypto trading bots. AI has also transformed investing into a mostly hands-off system. Tools and workflow. Market research. Perplexity/ChatGPT AI analytics. Trading algorithms. 3,S Crypto Hopper. Trade Santa portfolio management. Shrimpy, CoinStats, AI alerts and optimization. AI dashboards. How it works. AI analyzes market trends. AI executes trades automatically. AI adjusts positions in real-time. Income potential. With $1,000 to $10,000 capital, bots can generate $50 to $500, plus monthly, depending on risk tolerance. Why it's passive. Once configured, bots trade continuously without manual input. System 5. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing becomes scalable when AI handles content and distribution. Tools and workflow. Content ideas and scripts. ChatGPT, Claude blogs, emails, ads. ChatGPT, Jasper AI graphics and visuals, Canva AI, Leonardo AI scheduling and automation, Zapier, MailChimp AI social promotion, AI video tools. How it works. AI creates promotional content. AI schedules posts and emails. Traffic flows to affiliate offers. AI tracks conversions and improvements. Income potential, $500 to $5,000 per month depending on niche and reach. Why it's passive. Content runs continuously, while commissions stack automatically. Section 6. How to combine all 5 systems. The real power comes from stacking systems together. YouTube feeds digital products. E-commerce and affiliates multiply traffic. Trading bots invest excess profits. This creates a self-sustaining AI income ecosystem. Section 7. Key tips for full automation success. Start with one system. Layer tools gradually, monitor performance occasionally, reinvest profits using AI. Stay updated as tools evolve. Section 8. The Reality Check AI automates systems, not responsibility. Setup still matters. Oversight prevents costly mistakes. But once built correctly, these systems generate income 24/7 while freeing your time. AI has made fully automated passive income possible. If you want more faceless videos breaking down AI-powered business systems, automation strategies, and income models, subscribe and turn on notifications.